Okay, this is nice crevasses over here. Beautiful crevasses there. And now one of the climber going to climbing the 4 point. He make very nice. Looks like very professional climbing. Nice. Good. How you feeling? Good job, huh? Nice. Now is your turn. You feel comfortable to do that?
Yes.
Yeah?
Let's see.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay.
Now she's going to climb in that place and she feels very comfortable. Use how you learn up there in the small part, okay? Nice. Excellent. Nice. Good job. Excellent. How you feel?
Good.
Better? Nice. Good. Excellent, huh? Congratulations.